Hi guys, hello guys, good morning, Alpha Wolf here. When you see me sit down in this my chair and behind me you see my laptop, just know that there's only one thing I want to do. I want to start looking at the market and looking for potential setup for trades, right? My life is very simple. I wake up in the morning, I do my prayers, jump from my bed, you know, then sometimes I bath, sometimes I don't bath. I just go straight to the chart. Sometimes I take this is lemon, I take lemon tea, to detox. This is original lemon, pure lemon, and just in hot water. You take it to detox your body. It's very good. All right. After that, I have my breakfast I want to eat. But the most important thing is that I just go and look at the chart. Then when I look at the setup and everything, I can say, okay, let me go and bath, let me go and brush, let me go and do this. And this is usually my routine. All right. So the reason I make videos like this every day is that I like documenting my process. Because if you don't document your process, people will not even know how you got to where you are. They'll be like, it came from nowhere. There's nobody that comes from nowhere. This my process has been from 3 years ago. 3 years ago, and I'm still in this grind, in this game, doing this thing, doing it consistently because I know definitely I'm gonna win big. I'm seeing the results already. All right. So yesterday, when I made my second video of explaining the trade I took the other day, I was in a live trade. Unfortunately, I lost that trade. It wasn't like I was overconfident though, but when I saw the market and the setup I used to enter the market, I was also sure that I was going to hit my TP. This trade was already 75% in my TP. All right, 75%. I was already $2 up, but the trade was supposed to be like a 110% trade. So I wanted the trade to run to my next psychological level. Unfortunately, the support before the psychological area was so strong. So the market reversed. I'm going to show you guys because I recorded it. I'm going to show you guys what happened and I'll explain it. Now, am I paying that I did not hit my TP? No, I was not paying because I just lost like 14%. And guys, when I win my trades, I win between 90%, 85%, 100 and something percent. So having a 14% loss in a $2 trading was just like 3 cents. I just lost 3 cents of my money. That is the importance of stop loss. Stop loss is simply a mechanism where when you enter a trade, you'll be like, I don't want to lose more than this amount of money in case this trade is going against me. People that gamble do not have stop loss. It's either they win or they lose. You understand? But in trading, you can decide not to lose more than a particular amount of money if you use a good stop loss. So what I did was in that trade, I was risking just 3%, I mean, zero point 0.3 cents, 14% of my account to get 110% return in profit. It went against me. I took a 14% loss, but it did not really affect me because I am chilled, I am calm. Anytime you take a trade and the market is moving, you are panicking, you are scared because the trade is going against you. You know that you have done something wrong. When you have done your setup correctly, you've put the right stop loss and everything, what you do is you just relax and watch the trade, go out. Could I have done anything differently? Maybe yes. Normally, when I take trades like that and I'm 75% up, what I usually do is I used to move my stop loss to my entry position so that if the market reverses, I'll be in a break even. But unfortunately, while that trade was going on, I was making a video. So I was kind of distracted. And I just felt this trade is going to go and hit the take profit. More so, I wasn't really scared of if it went against me because there was a point in that video where I checked and I saw that this market is actually about to reverse. But I was like, on the higher time frame, it's still going down. So let me just chill. And then a very crazy, buying pressure volume just hits the market, and at once the trade kicked me. And thank God I used a stop loss. I must have lost the whole of my account. That's the amount I was trading with. And that is why I tell people there is nothing guaranteed in the market. All right. What we do is that we look for high quality trades. High quality trades, high probability to hit our take profit, but it doesn't mean that it must play out the way we want it to play out. So I want you guys to always take note that stop loss are very important. Very, very important. And proper risk management will save you from losing unnecessarily. The game is for you to be here long term. If you use all the money in your account to take a trade, you lose everything. Tomorrow you will not have money, you'll be depressed, you'll feel sad, you'll feel broken, and everything will just not be right with you. But if you are using little amount of money in your account, and there's like yesterday, happened, the market kick you out, you just chill because you know that you have another money to come to trade with, and you won't be surprised. I can enter the market today and I'll make like times four of what I lost yesterday. That is the way the market is. There's nothing guaranteed. What is guaranteed is the fact that, man, we are going to be so disciplined that we come back every day. So in this video, I'm going to attach the video of the trade I lost that went against me, so that you guys can actually see it and pick one or two things from the trade. You can learn from my mistake. I won't really call it a mistake. The only time I see myself that I have failed is when I ever trade without following my rules and my strategy. Even if I win that trade, I know that in the place of discipline, I failed. And that is not right. But if I follow my rules, my strategy, my trading plan step by step, use the proper risk management, I enter the position, the level I'm supposed to enter the position, I set my take profit, I did everything, I allowed the trade play, and the trade went against me. Honestly, I did not lose. I did not lose because I was actually very disciplined in that trade. So the only thing is that I can say, okay, in this experience, I learned something. There's always something to learn, and something I learned is something I know. Sometimes it works to your advantage, sometimes it can work against you. So most times, there are times that I've taken trades, and when the trade is looking like I've gotten to 75%, I move my stop loss to break even. The next thing, the market reverse, kick me out, and still goes to that direction, which if I had left my stop loss where it was, I would have just taken my full TP. So sometimes I just be like, man, let me just leave it to run. So yesterday, I did not make profit in that trade. I had like a 14% loss. I'm going to show you guys. I don't hide all this stuff. That is how it is supposed to be. You don't come here to fake and lie and pretend like you made money where you did not make money. There are times that I lose once in a while. But when I lose, it's not really massive because I am disciplined and I just lose, very small amount of money compared to my risk to reward. That trade was 1:5, which means if I hit my TP, I would have made times 5 of the money that I was risking to lose. So guys, it was not a losing trade at all. It was just one of those days where it doesn't go the way we want it to go. So see the trade though, the trade that messed me up yesterday, right? You can see I entered the trade from here. This is a psychological level. Yeah, 3550. This is it. Psychological level 3550. That's where I entered from. And I saw that the market had broken a trend line, so it was going to come down. All right. I had marked this area that there was a resistance here. I could have taken my TP here, but I was like, no. Let me just go to risk to reward ratio 1:5. And then what happened? I was expecting it to get to this place. This is a psychological area of 3500, and the market just kept moving. And when it got here, it started struggling. Now, I could see rejections in this place. I was even telling somebody that the market is rejecting this area. What I could have done was to probably put my stop loss. Yeah, I did not do that. I was making a video trying to explain something to you guys, and I just felt it was still going to reach there. And guess what? The market reversed 1, 2, 3, and boom! This candlestick. If this candlestick had gotten here, I could have closed the trade, but it just went straight, kicked me out. Look at my stop loss, hit my stop loss, and that was it. So I was out of the trade, and the market reversed and changed what direction. It broke this trend line. All right. So what am I trying to say? Things like this happen in the market. You don't need to be hard. Now let me show you guys what they call it. The Bybit account lost 14% of 14% yesterday of the money I used to enter the market. All right, but that doesn't really affect much. I just wanted you guys to see that just like the way I post my wins, if the market go against me, I'm not too big to post my losses. We are not here to impress anybody. We are here to document the process, all right, so that you guys can also know that yes, sometimes everything might look good in the setup and then it will still go against us. It happens. All right, that being said, I hope you learned one or two things from this video. So today you can see that my laptop is behind me. I'll be looking for potential setups, all right? And I want to encourage you guys, if you find my content helpful, please make sure you always leave a comment so that I will know that I have people that are actually benefiting from this. All right, you hit the subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification on, you like my video, you share my video, so that I'll be encouraged to make more content like this. That being said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. Alpha Wolf signing out.